Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use conversation feature on Google Translate app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Google Translate app. Now once you're inside here, to use the conversation feature, simply tap on the conversation option right here. Now once you tap on it, here on the screen you'll be seeing the words that I am saying to be. Here you are seeing, so you'll be seeing something like this on your interface, right? Now in order to have a conversation, you can use the language you are talking right here, and then you can use the next language right here, right? Now for example, I have selected English and Nepali right here. Now for English, let me just say like, how are you doing today right now? How are you? And you can see the translation, and then all you gotta do is simply tap on this, and then the next person can hear it, and then tap on this for the next person, and here like this you can have a conversation with a foreign language as well. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.